Now let us study how to do the sixth part, that is called as screw. Now this screw is called as conical screw, which is having a conical head. Now let me show you how to construct this conical head. Let us go for solid part. In the solid part, let me go for a command called revolve protrusion. Let us select the front plane. Now here, if you observe, the diameter is given as M8. Now using this M8 standards, now let us create this line for 0.8 times of diameter D, that is 0.8 into 8 is the required value here, that is 6.4 mm. Now this height is 0.7 into 8 mm, that is 5.6. Now let me draw a line like this. This is what a required constructional line. Now from here to here you just draw a line. Now using this midpoint, draw a line which is supposed to be the perpendicular bisector like this. Now if you observe this, these are the standards of snap headed rivets. In the same standards, this conical head should also be drawn. Now that is what I am doing now here. Using arc by center point command, you select the end point of the bisector of this line which is perpendicular to the inclined line should be the center, and this point as the radius, just draw an arc from here to here. Now except arc, select all, and it should be converted as a constructional elements. Except arc, everything else should be converted as a constructional elements. Now using a line command, let me draw a line like this. Now this is what our required shape for a drawing screw. Now the length of the screw is given as 22 mm. Now using the solid edge, define this length as 22 mm. Then the distance from here to here, it is supposed to be only 4 mm. Now this completes all our required parameters to draw the screw. Now using axis of revolution, you select this datum plane as the axis of revolution, then say return. Profile is not closed. Where it is not closed? Yes, at the top it is not closed. Now make use of a connect command, then connect the end point of a line to the end point of a arc. Now let us say return. Using revolve 360 command, revolve it, then say finish. Then make use of a command called cutout. Let us select the front plane as a sketching plane. Now we have to do this cutout. Now the cutout is given like this. Now the distance between these two lines, let us go for 2 mm, and this height is 3 mm, and then using symmetric relationship, these two must be symmetrical, and using tangent command, this line is supposed to be tangent to this arc. Let me say return. The cutout has to be happened on both the sides, so let us go for at the center. Now you can see cutout is happening at both the sides. Now this completes the construction of flat headed screw except the threading. Now we have to apply the threading. Now we have an external thread. Let us go for thread. Then let me say OK. Select the face, select the surface, just say finish. Before that we needed only M8. Go for M8 standards. Let us say finish. So this completes the construction of the sixth part, that is called as screw. Using save command, go to summary, type the title as screw, then the file name also as screw. This completes the sixth part of a tailstock, that is called as screw.